Welcome back guys, it's Urbex Taffy, Urban Lad Yorkshire, and today we are in Winter Gardens. I'm not going to tell you which one because I know there's a couple in the country. Right, so anyway, don't forget to check out Urban Lad Yorkshire. I'm going to put the link in the description and I'm going to show you around anyway guys, see what you all think. It's not very big, I don't think, so anyway, catch you in a bit. Whoa. Yes, mate. Look, AJ's karaoke, mate. Look, mascot. Oh, Madagascar. It's fragile. Just like me. How do you get behind you? Vending machine. Well, I think this kitchen has got a -5. Slightly clean. Definitely worth shutting down for. Oh look! See a flying saucer. Big word for a little guy. Guys, it stinks in here. Well, I think that just lied to us. Security cameras in operation. Whoa, I'm not standing on that floor. Guys, I'm not going in there. Am I heck? Probably set the alarms off. Looks like someone's stock. This would have been like a little spa room. changing rooms. Baby changing rooms. Guys, this place is absolutely phenomenal. I'm not even kidding. I can't get over how big this place is. It's just absolutely gigantic. I'm not even looking where I'm going. Okay guys, that was it. That was the Winter Gardens, somewhere in the UK. Not really too sure. It's here. Yeah, this one here, look. Just here, look. Right, so anyway, Urban Lad Yorkshire, exploring with Helen. Don't forget to check out all their channels on all their different Facebooks, YouTube, Instagram,
Patreon, PayPal.
Anyway, it's all in the link in the description. Right?
Yeah, my PayPal will be.
Oh yeah, I'll see how this works, right? But anyway, guys, it definitely will be there anyway, so check them all out. Don't be afraid to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bells on all the channels, right? There's always new content, right? Mine's released every Friday, 5 PM, and yours is
Wednesday at 3 o'clock and Saturday at 3 o'clock.
There you go, guys. Don't forget to check them out, and we'll see you on the next Explore. Peace.